There are many reasons you should go for Power BI. I'll give you the top 5 reasons you should jump for Power BI. It is very easy to use. Power BI is easier than Excel. In Excel, you have to type some functions for vlookup. But in Power BI, just using button clicks, no using your keyboard, and still you can achieve the goal. Second reason why you should go for Power BI is features. Power BI has maximum number of features. You can work on 1200 different functions. You can work on 250 visuals, and also there are many skill sets which you can use in Power BI. Third reason is data connectivity. You can bring data from 100 data sources in Power BI. You can bring data from Excel CSV. You can bring data from Outlook, PDF, any live website. So I can say you can bring data from structured, semi-structured and unstructured data sources just by button clicks. The other reason you should go for Power BI is it is completely automated. The complete end-to-end structure can be automated. Pulling data, cleaning data, pushing data to online and sharing and collaboration. All this task can be completely done automated. The other reason is I can tell you Power BI desktop application is free. You do not have to pay for that. Whereas Power BI service, it's the chargeable, but the charge is very less. It's $10. So if you want to learn Power BI desktop, you can download and start practicing on that. So these are the top 5 reasons I think you should go for Power BI. So if you want to learn this Power BI course completely end to end, we have designed a course sponsored by Lecteron. Lecteron's Power BI course is designed in such a way that it is helping working professional to bridge their skill gap so that they can convert this raw data into a beautiful dashboards. It is designed in such a way that we have kept maximum training in practical with real-time case studies, which will help you to quickly jump to your projects and work onto your data sets. You can see there will be a coupon code in the description. Using that coupon code, you can get 20% discount on this upcoming Power BI course. So join with me to learn this Power BI by Lecteron.